guys. All right. The X Rhoda litter. They're 6.5 weeks old. All right. I know. Hello. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Look. Look, I got the toys.
Hi, wethead. Oh, you're not even that wet. Hello.
Good job, Xander. Oh, you're faster than I am.
Okay.
Come over it then. Here, who cares? Through, around, over. Hey, babies. Alright. So, here's one of the females.
Oh, pretty.
And here's a male. Ah.
Hello, handsome.
And the second female. I think you're Sarah.
Yeah, I think so.
And then the second male with the white toe. Ooh, and a wet head, huh? And then Mr. Zen, who's on my pant legs. Ah. And the black male. Hi, buddies. Hi, buddies. All right. I know. Well, let's get some toys. Look.
They don't care. They're like just stuck on you. Oh, this one.
Good job, buddy.
Is it Sarah?
Sarah, yeah. Sarah and Xander, I believe. Playing tug of war. Hi. Good job. Good job, Sarah. Did you win? All right, Zen, please don't do that. Hey, look. Get a toy. Good job, Savvy.
Hey, Sarah.
I
There's
know,
some-
babies.
Cattle herding in the background.
I know. You guys are so cute. Good girl, Savvy. Look at that pretty sit. Yes. You guys are crazy. Come on, around. Good job, buddy. Good job, girls.
That's cute.
Come on. Ready? Come on, babies. Good job, guys. Come on, Zen. Good job.